Hello guys, through this introduction I just want to be able to show you guys how to be able to access Google Classroom accounts, how to log in, how to create accounts, and then how to add students and be able to navigate. So, very beginner introduction just to get you started on how to use Google Classroom. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go onto your desktop, sign into your Google account. Okay? So you want to make sure that you're signed in, and then go over to your applications and then you look for the Google Classroom application. You can also do this on your phone. Just simply go to the App Store, download Google Classroom, and you can be able to do it through your phone. So, sure it is. The other nice thing is, you might have to scroll down a little bit to find this application, but then you can drag it to wherever you want. Sometimes it's up, sometimes down, but you can drag it to the position that you want it, so that way it's easily accessible. Um, the next thing we're going to do, okay, is we're going to create a class. Okay, so how do I create a class? So you're going to head to this add button, and you're going to add create class. Okay, they're going to give you some terms of service, and then you're going to just click that and continue. Okay, and then you're going to have a class name. So second period. Section. Great again. Just add clarification so when they do get this invite, they know what they're for and what it's for. Okay, so go English again, and then you'll be able to add your room number, so that way, even if you invite them before school, they'll know where to go. Okay, and then I just create. It'll take a little while for it to load up, um, but it'll eventually get there. Boom, there we go. Okay. And now we can personalize our Google Classroom. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is hit customize. Okay, and you can pick whatever theme you want or color, and it will change the color. And then you can also select a different header. So they have themes for the subject that history, math, science, arts, sports, and other cool stuff. So go to English stuff. Um, do that. So now we get a cool theme. We hit save, and now you have a Google Classroom um, that's styled and accountable for everybody. Okay? Next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get students to add the Google Classroom. Okay, so one of the easiest ways to do it is to maximize this. Once you get them in the first day, you can pull up Google Classroom, sign into the Google account just how you did, create a class, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have them, instead of create class, hit join, and they will put this code in, and they will then be joined onto your class. Okay. You can also copy the link and invite students by emailing them if you have access to their email through Aries or Blackboard or whatever programs that you guys use. And you can just copy the class link and all that. You can also go to people, and then once you add people, you can also whoever's on your email and uh, add their parents as well. Really nice. So that's how you add students onto your Google Classroom. Next, I want to just go over some of the features that Google Classroom does. Okay, the first one is Stream. This is typically used for announcements. It's not where you collect your assignments, but it is where you can give a good welcome announcement. Also, drop helpful files through Google Chrome, YouTube, upload a file, put a link. You can put whatever you want on here that you think the whole classroom could use. So it's really good for giving class educational materials that help them with the class. Okay, you can also customize who you send it to. So you hit all students, and if you have students that might have diverse needs and might need extra materials or accommodations, you can be able to send it through that stream so that they're always able to have whatever accommodations needed, which is really helpful. Um, so that's a great link to keep students up to date, to give them the materials they need, and to keep parents in the loop as well, because once the invitation, they'll get all the announcements. Okay? So the next thing, we go to class work. Okay, here is where you can organize and create assignments. Okay, so you hit create, you can create assignments, quizzes, questions, add material, and then you can also organize it by topic. Okay, so assignments, and I'm able to create it in a Google Form style. Okay, so I can have multiple choice questions. Format, I can add YouTube videos for guided practice when it comes to this assignment. I can do files, links to research answers to these questions so they have some practice, research, and all that. So you can do that through assignments. You can do quizzes. So you hit quiz and you're able to, again, create a Google form so you get instant access to how students are doing, and you can also use it as an exit ticket, which you can also put on the notches as an exit ticket as well. So lots of helpful things that we can do through here. And then once you have created these things, you can organize them by topic. Okay? Able to save them under folders so that teachers are well organized, students get easy access to their progress as well as teachers. So lots of really good things that we can do through Google Classroom, and it's compatible with everything. You can use it through a phone. They always have access to the education materials, even if have family emergency or out for a few days, or if they need material, or they may need extra accommodations because um, they have some educational needs. So really cool stuff on Google Classroom that we can do, and I'm really excited to introduce this and try and get away from Blackboard and introduce Google Classroom because of how many things we can do with it, and because of how it is compatible with a lot of our kids stuff.